Hello friends, here we will going to discuss ShareLatex, that is online latex edit. Introduction is ShareLatex is an online latex editor that allows real-time collaboration and online compiling of projects to PDF format. In comparison to other latex editors, ShareLatex is a server-based application which is accessed through a web browser. ShareLatex is used by the various degree students, diploma students, ME students to create real-time projects into PDF format. It is also used to create the PPT. It is also used to create the seminar reports. It is one of the best latex editor, that is the ShareLatex, which is accessed through a web browser. Just I will give a look what is ShareLatex and how to use it in further. First of all, open the ShareLatex. First of all, use the open the ShareLatex into the Google web browser. And create an account, which is if you are not created, I am already created the account in ShareLatex. In ShareLatex, there's the various types of projects: blank project, example project. If you are a zip project and you want to edit it, then upload the project. Then a CV or resume, cover letter, journal article, presentation, thesis, bibliographies, and view all. If you want to create a new project, fresh new projects or the blank projects, open the blank projects. If you want to and create an example project, then click on the example project. If you want to edit an existing project, then upload project in the zip format and then it will be edit. I would like to take the blank project. The project name is my first project. Correct. This is the blank project, and after compiling, here will appear the PDF of this blank project. In that PDF, you will see the various things, that is title of project, author of the project, year of the project, and introduction section. In next part, we will see how to create the bibliography, how will you insert the image, and how will you create the table, and so many things in next video. Thank you.